Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 8 of my 25 days of Christmas series. Today's look is essentially a more wearable version of my Sugar Plum Fairy look. So if you liked the tones of that look but that was like too much for you, I used 2 eyeshadows in this entire look, this lavender shade and one was this darker purple. I also found out today that my best friend got into grad school, which is amazing. So I just want to give a nice little public shout out to Grace. Congrats, girl. All right, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi. I figured for today, because I have some pretty crazy looks coming, that I would do just a really simple kind of one shadow look. Basically, my goal here is to do a much more wearable version of my Sugar Plum Fairy. I want to just use this lavender shade, I think. That's the goal. I might maybe dip into these two, but the goal is to just do a cute little one shadow with maybe a fun little eyeliner detail. Oh, I guess I should prime my eyes, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes real fast and then we'll get started. Primer is on. I'm gonna take that lavender shade out of the NYX Ultimate palette. I just think that is such a pretty color. Oh. As much as I love really rich warm tones in the winter time, pastels are just so pretty. All right, and that's basically it. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my face on real fast and then we'll do the wings and that's it. My face is on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal winged liner. I actually just posted a video earlier, which was supposed to be yesterday's video, on how I do my winged liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip it right now. So once you finish up this one, if you wanna know how I do that, you can go back and watch the other one. Alright, so my wings are on. They're not perfect, which is fine because we're actually gonna take another eyeliner and do a cute little outline detail thing. So I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner. It has the prettiest pink and like orangey gold reflect to it. So I'm gonna zoom you in. We're essentially just gonna use our normal black eyeliner as a guide for the magical pink eyeliner. Alright, so now that that's on, I'm just gonna go in with my black eyeliner and touch up that edge. Alright, so now that we've got our eyeliner done, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a pair of lashes and then we'll wrap it up. Lashes are on. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna try it with just the lavender, but I kind of have a feeling I'm gonna want something a little bit deeper in the outer third. For now, I'm gonna take the Japanesque smudgy brush and just work that across the lower lash line. And then just because I want to deepen up that outer corner, I'm gonna take that dark purple shade and work that just on the outer third. One final step to wrap up the eyes, I'm going to take the highlight that I used on my face. It's the NYX Duo Chrome in the shade Lavender Steel. And I'm just going to put some of that in the inner corners. I'm going to take some of Lyra and put that on top. Alright, so the eyes are done. For the lips, I'm going to take the Essence Lip Liner in the shade Satin Mauve. Then I'm going to take the Essence lipstick in the shade Come Naturally. And then I'm going to top that off with the Buxom Gloss in White Russian. And that completes the look. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, give it a share. That's all I got, and I'll see you tomorrow.